everybody. I need everybody about the seats tonight. I'm talking 40 years, y'all. I want everybody in the building about the seats tonight. On He'll be